No need to spend money to buy rooting agent. You can do it at home. Whatever flowers you grow, they will bloom. First, add 500 milliliters of warm water into the cup, 50 grams brown sugar, 3 grams yeast powder. Mix well. Sealed storage. After 24 hours, the rooting water homemade is done. Using this formula not only allows plants to take root quickly, it can also improve the soil, promote flowering and fruiting of plants.
Grown vegetables such as tomatoes and peppers, cucumbers at home. On the leaves, yellow spots always appear. Don't rush to spray. Today I will teach you a trick. You can make the leaves shiny and lush without fertilizer. It is recommended to like and collect first. 30 grams of rice vinegar. 50 grams of brown sugar is added to 30 pounds of water. Stir and spray on the leaves of plants. Spray once every 7 days for the prevention and treatment of macular degeneration. Very good results for both double mildew and powdery mildew. It can also increase the yield of vegetables, and there is no pollution or residue. This method is very practical.
What should I do if the flowers at home have yellow leaves and dry leaves? Let me teach you a trick. Add 200 milliliters of water into cup. Pour 2 caps of white vinegar. White vinegar can sterilize and disinfect. Prevent soil compaction. Pour 2 spoons of sugar. White sugar contains many trace elements, prevents yellowing and withering leaves. Spray on the lotus leaves at the root of the flowers. Use once every other day. 20 days later, your flowers will start to grow leaves and bloom again.
Orchids have this kind of spots intersecting. No matter how many times you cut it, glue-tip spots will still appear. Today I will share a little trick. Keep orchid leaves clean. Put a handful of rice, crushed eggshells in the cup. Chopped ginger, a few drops of white vinegar, refill with water. After 3 days, use it to irrigate the roots and spray the pasta. Use several times. Orchid leaves are clean,